We're the Lebanese Bakery, and we just opened recently in late May 2018, and we're located on Russell Street, just down the street from the piazza. And this is a franchise from the Lebanese Bakery in Lebanon, in Beirut.
It's different though. This is for the meat, for the lamb machine.
All of our food is fully halal certified. So essentially everything comes on a flatbread, and then you've got your choices between whole grain, multi-grain and standard white dough. And then for toppings you can choose between cheeses, various Arabian cheeses like akewin, kashwan, and we've also got different meats, different confits, and then we've also got vegetarian and vegan friendly options like za'atar and hummus and beetroot.
You're a funny guy. What's the conversion?
Got a bit of colour in there as well.
So you got lahma ba'ajin, ras asfour and kafta.
Bit more slow.
Something traditional.
She actually does.
Did you understand the difference? It's very easy. That's very good though. Slightly different.
We also do an all-day breakfast, which we do baked eggs on a flatbread, and then you can either get them with an awarma, which is a lamb confit, or sujuk, which is a sausage confit. And then we crack the eggs on top ourselves and bake them into the stone-baked oven. And yeah, you can get it all day. It comes chopped with some za'atar, which is fresh thyme, salt, pepper, some sumac, ready to serve. My favourite dessert would have to either be the Nutella, which is literally just a flatbread filled with Nutella. And or the banana and honey, which has got cinnamon sugar, wild honey, amazing. Organic bananas, it's amazing. Not to forget, we also do freshly made juices that we make by ourselves every morning. A lemonade, which is just traditional homemade lemonade, and then ayran, which is a yogurt drink, traditional Lebanese yogurt drink made with lebna, which is a yogurt, and then some salt and water.